Everyone knows the Kinect, the product of Microsoft for Xbox console. It enables to control and interact with the console using gestures and spoken commands. But have you ever wondered how does it works? In this video we will discover it together. First of all, let's see what actually is this controller. It's a sensor bar connected to a small base by a motorized pivot that allows to self-positioning in direction to the player or players, with a right, left or up and down rotation of the bar. The main components of the bar are a color video camera, a depth sensor and a series of microphones. The color video camera is an RGB camera. RGB stands for red, green and blue, that are the primary colors in the system used for example also by televisions, digital cameras, computers, smartphones and so on. This camera allows to take a color picture or a sequence of images for a video that will be used in a facial recognition and other detection operations. Kinect needs to know how is made the surrounding environment, and since it hasn't human eyes, it uses the depth sensor, a combination of an infrared projector and a microprocessor, for computing the depth image. The visible colors are waves, and we can see just a short range of all the possible waves. In fact, we can see those of the electronic devices. Thinking about a rainbow, we can see from the red color, the color with the lowest energy, till the violet. The infrareds have an energy below the red, and so we can see them. Kinect can see these infrareds with an infrared camera. Kinect shoots a beam of infrared light in an area of 6 square meters. After this, the microprocessor measuring how long it takes to reflect from the object in the scene and return to the infrared camera. With these measurements, it is reconstructed the layout of the surrounding spaces, obtaining a so-called depth image. This picture shows with different tones of color where are the objects and at which distance. This type of image will be treated by the processor for the body and movement recognition. The depth image is computed 30 times per second. In the Kinect are present 4 different microphones, incorporated in a so-called multi-array microphone. This system allows to record on audio stream, and to avoid errors, the voice sound is isolated from the noise present in the environment. Kinect is the first device that allows the interaction with a video game without the need of a pad controller, a joystick or similar analogic peripherals, but just using own body and voice in some occasion. Before understanding which gestures a player makes, it is needed to recognize the player itself. This is made possible by the conjunction between the depth and the color image. The software of the Kinect can recognize a human body, creating a very simple structure called skeleton. Imagine to reduce the high complexity of our body to a steroid schema. We can find the head, the neck, the arms, the hands, the chest, the pelvis, the legs, the feet and the principal articulation. In the newest versions are tracked also the fingers. To be precise, Kinect detects and tracks 46 key points, including facial details. Analyzing the depth image, it computes the distance between the various parts of the body marked with the key points, and reconstructs the player structure following a basic schema. In practice, the result is the creation of an avatar, a digital mannequin that reproduces the position and then also the movements of our body. This avatar can take the form of anything we need, in the way it will be a transposition of ourselves on the screen. Once we have the three-dimensional avatar, the next step is to recognize the player's movements to reproduce them on the screen. The gestures recognition has been obtained through a training process algorithm. Microsoft developers have collected large amounts of data with motion capture. This is a technique in which a person wears a special cloth that records all the movements and sends the data to a computer. For example, if the person raises an arm, the avatar does the same on the screen. With this data are produced several models representing different types of people, gestures and body types. With the Kinect, it is not necessary the use of the special clothes, because the body schema is reconstructed by the system we explained before. The Kinect can also recognize movements when the body is partially hidden. In this case, the device reconstructs the missing part of the body, assuming where is the hidden part, by the position of itself when it was visible. Summarizing, with the Kinect technique, first of all is recognizing and reconstructing the body. After that, since the depth image is computed 30 times per second, it recognizes the movements. Over reproduce the movement of a player to the digital avatar, Kinect is able to recognize some special gestures that allow to take the control of the game. In fact, since there are no gamepad, there is the need to have the possibility to stop the game, confirm an option, and so on. A special position of the body is dedicated to make a break, and when the player is in the menu, he can move the cursor just moving his hand. To select an option, it is necessary to pass about just a few seconds on it. In recent versions, it provided also the vocal commands, especially to manage a media file or start and stop a game. To do this, the audio stream recorded by the 4 microphones is processed, analyzed and translated into the commands. At the end of this video, you know how the Kinect is made and how it works, how it recognizes a player, its gestures and how it produces them on the screen. Thanks for the view, have fun with the Xbox and Kinect. Bye!